Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Binance account permanently. For that you just have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you need to simply log in into your account first. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Once you have done that, you will be redirected on this page where in the top you are going to see your account's username as well as your profile icon. So you simply need to click on this tab and then you will be redirected on this page where you need to select the option of security. After clicking on security, you are going to see a bunch of different options relating to the security of your Binance application. So over here you just have to scroll down and try to find the option of manage account. Once you have found manage account, you simply need to click on it and then in the manage account you will be able to see two options. The first is of disabling your Binance account and the second one is of deleting your account. So as you want to delete your Binance account permanently, you need to select the second option, which is delete account. Once done, you will be landed on the next page where you will be asked the reason of the deletion of your account. So among the given reasons, you will have to select the one that best suits you. After that, you will have to press continue in the bottom. Afterwards, it will show you whether your account is eligible for deletion or not. In order to delete your account, you will have to make sure that your account balance is 0. So if your account have some money, then you will have to withdraw it in your bank account or any other wallet first. And once your Binance account balance is 0, you will have to follow these steps and you will be able to easily delete your Binance account permanently. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.